The Samsung A23 5G is a mid-tier phone launched at the start of 2023. I needed to pick something for my father which was dependable, no frills, and most importantly contained no bloatware, which most Chinese branded phones in the Indian subcontinent seems to be prone to. Given the limited amount of options available while on holidays, this seemed to fit the bill. Here is a quick rundown of the device. The A23 comes in a box that's slightly larger than the phone itself, the movie poster style, slightly turned imagery of the back and front, and other information. Right under the lid is the phone, and inside the lid is a sleeve with the SIM ejector tool in the back. The sleeve contains some informational booklets, one of which is a one-page regional lock guide which explains the region it's restricted to and what to do if you want to use it outside. Next up is a little fold-up booklet with the package contents, SIM installation, and safety information. One interesting thing to note is that the information material is quite sparse and is only in English, which is handy as multiple thick booklets lead to more waste. The phone comes without any screen protector, and the one seen here was applied at the store after purchase. Even without any cover, the body is somewhat thicker than most phones I've come across. The right side features a dipped-in power button and volume rocker. The back has a shiny iridescent finish which is prone to fingerprints. This is quite unlike the options featured on the Samsung website. The back also features the camera array for a macro, ultra-wide, and depth camera, alongside the 50 megapixel optically stabilized main camera. Over on the left-hand side is a SIM tray and ejector pin hole entry point, and right up at the top of the screen is a camera cutout, which takes up a bit of the screen real estate. The bottom features a single downward firing speaker, USB-C jack, and a welcome 3.5mm headphone jack. Wrapping up the box contents is a 2-pin power adapter and a 1-meter USB A to C cable. On starting up the phone, the Samsung Galaxy splash screen is displayed. Reaching the fully loaded phone OS took a bit over 30 seconds. Initially there was a slight lag for the screen contents to load, but the screen was responsive right in the middle of this process. The UI is clean and features relatively smooth transitions. The display appears sharp, and after a slight brightness adjustment is more than adequate for daylight use. The phone also offers great contrast under bright indoor lighting, and with the brightness adapted technology can go beyond the regular maximum level that's set. However, even with this, in direct sunlight the screen is quite dim, making it hard to see anything on the screen. Not sure if this is a side effect of the glass screen protector or not. Being that this wasn't a phone I bought for my own use, performance and tech specs kinda took a backseat. If you are interested in that information, links can be found in the description for resources around that. If you have any experience of having used this or the previous or newer models, drop a comment and let me know what you think. As well, hit that like button and subscribe if you liked the video. Have a good one, and goodbye.